Then let's go to sorting. Now, there are two types of sorting in Excel available. One is vertical sort and another is horizontal sort. Okay. Most of the sorting is vertical. Why? Because you have these are the columns and the sorting is done in a vertical manner. Okay. However, many of you may not be aware of multi-level sorting. So typically many people, what they do is they will apply sorting. Okay. So sorting you can also apply using this filter button. And you say, okay, on the salesman, I will apply sorting. So what sorting you'll apply? Let's say I will sort A to Z. So the moment you do A to Z here, so you will see that all these values will also change. See, ideally it should change. See, Rachana Kashmir was there when we sorted salesman A to Z. So Abhishek Andhra Pradesh, it has come. So all this will change because this was sorted. Okay. And then you can see the direction over here. So this is A to Z direction. Z to A direction will be downward arrow. So this is A to Z, the upward arrow is the direction over there. Right? But what if I want to sort salesman as in the order of A? Okay. And you see this is what my requirement is. You see this data. This is Abhishek is coming. All are Abhishek. Here it is coming Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I am fine with this, but I am not fine with this Tamil Nadu coming here. I want Tamil Nadu to come at the end. After A, B, C, D, it should come. So I want to filter on salesman as the first one. And after salesman is being filtered, I want to filter on the region as the second level. Now what I do is if I do this filter, sort A to Z here, what has happened is here Andhra Pradesh has come. But here Abhishek, B, D, all those has come. So now the sorting is sorting is only on region. The sorting is removed from salesman. Okay. This type of thing many of you will require. So what my requirement is that I want to first filter salesman. Within the salesman, I want to filter the region. Okay. In the ascending order, which this way it is not possible because this is filtering only one level. Right? So we cannot rely on this. What we have to do is we cannot rely on this filter sorting here. So this we cannot work if we have to sort more than one level. We have to rely on this custom sort. Okay. By the way, sorting you can directly do any column you can select and press. So let's say if I do salesman and I say A to Z, okay, it has done the sorting on salesman. Okay, right? But what I am mostly interested in is this custom sort. Okay, custom sort will give you a dialog box, okay, which enables, see this, what it is mentioned, which enables sorting by multiple columns. So we want to sort by multiple columns. Okay, so let's see what is this custom sort box. So custom sort, what I want is first I want to, let's say, sort by salesman. Okay. Now this is the way the custom sort has been made. If your data has headers, there will be a checkbox here. Okay. So because we have these headers, so this has a checkbox. If you don't have headers, you can uncheck this. Right. So since, see this, my unchecking, what has happened is month is also included. But since that is a header, I will say my data is headers. And then what I am saying is sort by salesman. So I want to sort by salesman on values A to Z. Okay. Then after that, I want to sort on region. So this region will become the second level. So first level is salesman, second level is region. So you have to say add level, and then you say region. Let's say region also you want A to Z. Okay. So these two as of now I want, I'll say okay. See this, what has happened. This is what we were facing the difficulty that time. So Abhishek has come, and now what has happened is Andhra Pradesh has come after Abhishek being filtered, then Assam, then Chandigarh. So this is your level 1 filter sorting. This is your level 2 sorting. So you will see that under Abhishek, these are all sorted. Okay. If you go to, let's say, Vishnu, you see Andhra Pradesh, Assam, again they are sorted. Okay. So first sorting is here, then sorting is here. So this can be achieved only using the custom sort. I can actually modify my custom sort more. I can add the third level. Let's say after salesman region, I want to, let's say, sort on course. I can say add level. Okay, so this is, I want to add after this. So add level. Okay. I want to sort on the course, but course I want to do Z to A. Rather than A to Z, I want to do Z to A, and I press OK. So what has happened? Abhishek is sorted. Within Abhishek, Andhra Pradesh is sorted. And in Andhra Pradesh, all the courses are sorted Z to A. Again, Assam, the course will be sorted Z to A. Chandigarh, the course will be sorted Z to A. Right? So this is level 1, level 2, this is level 3. You can have as many levels as you would want. So you can actually increase as many levels. Okay. So the sorting can be done on values, can be done on color of the cell, the fill color, font color, or icon. So these you can just research yourself. Okay, try to play, okay, on this. But as an example, let's say suppose if you want to know, I have colored this. Let's say I've colored this, and I say custom sort, and I say add level. Okay, let's say we want to go down. I can make it down also. This is like down up. I can make it down, and I say month, and I say on the color, cell color. Okay, what you want on the top, this you want on the top. So see, okay, this has, this has not happened because these have been first sorted and then this has been sorted. Let's say we can increase we can make this level up. So see, first these have been sorted and after this has come. Okay, yeah, cell icon. So what happens is sometimes you can actually have for display purpose some icons you can put. Okay, so as an example, I'll show you. Okay. Let's say conditional formatting. See this, you are seeing this icon sets. So some people may want to put icons here. So you can actually, let's say you want to sort it by red. Okay, this red you want to highlight earlier, so you can sort by icon here. So these are icons, okay, and it is used for, let's say, sales. You can put whether the sales have gone up or down or flat. Okay, these are like danger signs. Okay, some indicators. Okay, so these are mostly used in case of dashboarding. Okay, so people can create this dashboard using these icons. So you can also sort by these icons.